Yo YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, you can already tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you how to get free Steam gift card codes in 2025. This is a super simple method that's going to supply you with a $100 Steam gift card for completely free. And like I said, this is working in 2025 and it's going to save you a bunch of money because it's impossible to get discounts on Steam gift cards. So let's get into the tutorial. You can see I'm using a mobile phone and I recommend you do it on your mobile, guys. It just makes the process 10 times easier. And you need to basically open up the internet browser of choice. And this is working on iOS and Android, so it doesn't matter which mobile phone you have. And you have to go to this website, www.robotcoupons. Make sure you spell it correctly, guys. robotcoupons.com. So this is a website that I personally discovered when I was browsing the internet. And essentially, guys, this is a coupon code website. And you can see they have so many different pages on here, ranging from mobile games to video games to, of course, coupons and gift cards. So go to the search bar and just type in Steam gift, and it should just pop up as you start typing it, Steam gift cards, codes, and coupons. So click on the see more and scroll down. So there's a couple of different Steam codes that you can get. You can get, of course, a $100 free Steam gift card code, and you can also get a code that's going to remove the cost of any game from the Steam store. So that'll provide you with one free game. So these codes are limited in number. So you can see there's just over 500 codes at the time of recording this video. Sometimes this number doesn't change, but as long as you can find the Steam page on Robot Coupons, that means there are still codes left. So click on show coupon. Now, of course, because this is a pretty desirable code, this prevents people from stealing all of the available codes. So you see, you need to unlock your personal Steam gift card code. So tap on unlock code. It takes a few minutes and it is completely free, but it can be confusing if you've never seen anything like this before. So let's wait for this. And then it's going to come up code unlocker, which is pretty self-explanatory, guys. You just need to complete the couple of tasks on this page to unlock your code and follow the instructions below each task. And this basically verifies you're not a robot looking to steal all of the Steam gift cards. So you can see I've got some tasks here. You need to basically just choose and complete 2 of them. These are usually things like mobile games or answering questions in surveys. So this one says install and open and complete chapter 4. So that's basically level 4 in the game. So if you was to choose that one, for example, you'd click on it and it'd take you to the App Store where you'd have to download that mobile game and play it until level 4. So basically, guys, just complete any 2 tasks. It doesn't matter which 2 you choose. And once you've done that, your code will be unlocked. Obviously, I just skipped forward, but yeah, if you return, it'll redirect you back to this page. And your code will be revealed and you can enter it in the Steam store. So that is how to get free Steam gift card codes in 2025. Just go to Robot Coupons, navigate your way to the Steam gift card page and enjoy, guys. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.